Hi, I'm Jim Testa.
And I'm Cliff Thorne. We're the Testa Thorne team at Douglas Elliman Real Estate. We're here today at our new exclusive at 47 East 88th Street in one of Carnegie Hill's finest pre-war co-ops. Enter this mint-condition home from a private elevator landing into an inviting reception room with its own wood-burning fireplace and handsome built-ins. Adjacent is the pristine, formal living room with a wood-burning fireplace and windows facing west over Madison Avenue. The gallery provides wonderful flow from the living room to the dining room, which features a large south-facing double window and marvelous scale for entertaining. The gorgeous windowed eat-in kitchen features top-of-the-line appliances, a walk-in pantry, and stunning marble countertops and backsplash. The master suite is bathed in sunlight through southern and western exposures and offers 2 full ensuite baths and generous walk-in closets. On the opposite side of the apartment is the bedroom wing with 3 bedrooms, the media room, and the staff area. 47 East 88th Street was designed in 1930 by George Fred Pelham. Located at the corner of East 88th Street and Madison Avenue, it's 1 block from Central Park, the world-renowned Guggenheim and Cooper Hewitt museums, and wonderful Madison Avenue shops and top-rated restaurants.
Thanks for watching. For more information or a private tour, call us anytime.